exactly 7:36. I used to forget to do landscape. A buffet, and there's limited time for you to have breakfast. So if we don't have it now, that means we'll be having a big brunch, and I'm hungry. I need to go have breakfast. So I guess I'll see you when we get to breakfast, okay? I don't know if I'll be able to vlog from here to the buffet, but I'll try. All right, see you when I see you. Bye.